So I was living in Brazil. Me, Rogério, and Rodrigo, also known Minotauro and Minotauro. It's the three of us in a one-bedroom apartment. Just training hard, jiu-jitsu lifestyle, living by the ocean in Rio de Janeiro. I remember every day it was Rogério's apartment. Every day I get home, I look at his medal count, and I wanted those medals so bad. We won a lot of medals, both those guys, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I'd get home every day or wake up, whatever I'm doing, I can't help but pass the medal, I would sleep in the living room, have my little bed in the living room, bunch of fans for the heat in Brazil, and those medals were out there. It was part of my lifestyle. I'd see them. They weren't mine though. And there was this medal I loved, this medal with a lightning bolt on it. It's the Rio de Janeiro State, the Federation of Rio de Janeiro Jiu-Jitsu. And I see this medal and I think, man, that's so cool. Look at that lightning bolt. Look at that. Now that's power. That power of the lightning bolt. I want that medal so bad. And I went to the tournament. That year that tournament came up. First time I was in Brazil. I went to that tournament with that fire, that hunger for that medal. Yeah, I got hit hard by that learning curve. Knocked me down. I lost that match. Spent another year coming home, looking at his medal. He actually had two of them. So I looked at lightning bolt every day for another year. With that fire, had that fire under me. That never say die. Keep working hard, keep getting after it. Keep fighting. Jiu-jitsu fight. A year later, went to that tournament. Oh yeah, this time a super firepower. Now I was in Brazil for a year. Already training hard, already immersed. Had that eye of the tiger. I went in there. Got that medal, got that gold medal. Won the weight class and the absolute. Got 2 gold medals. 2 lightning bolts. One for each side. Hard work pays off. Success through hard work. I never backed off. I stuck to the goal. I stuck to it, got after it, continue to work hard. Never say die. That double lightning bolt belongs to me now. So another shout out to my boys, my brothers, Minotauro, Rogério. Thank you guys. You guys get all my love. And I'm here now, sharing with the others. You guys, what it takes. Sharing that insight. That's insight about that eye of the tiger. If you got that, you got determination on your side. That's the ultimate firepower. You want it bad enough, it's going to be yours. You gotta want it. Saying it, meaning it. 2 different things. Hear a lot of guys saying, yeah, I want it. You don't want it. Want it comes from within. It's beyond a want. It becomes a need. I need it. I need it. I need that gold medal. gonna work hard. You're gonna do what it takes to get it. It's mandatory. Your lifestyle, you demand it. You demand it for survival. It's kill or be killed. Get after it. Get that eye of the tiger. Give them all the chop. Get top of the podium. Get that gold medal. For you. It belongs to you. Nobody else. Put your work in. It's going to be yours. Chop.
Pra te abandonar.